What if a garbage company could act like a precision manufacturer? Let's see how AI is completely changing the game.
Okay, let's break it down. On the left, you've got chaotic construction waste. On the right, pristine biofeedstock. And that quality gap, that's the main problem we have to solve to make a circular economy actually work.
A staggering 84% of construction waste in Canada just goes to a landfill. Think about that untapped resource.
So how do you bridge that gap? You use a digital gatekeeper, an AI that assesses the material on site.
The workflow is super simple. Capture, analyze, classify. A photo instantly becomes valuable, actionable data.
But here's the really cool part. The AI isn't just seeing things, it's reasoning, calculating the actual value.
And that's the key. That woodpile is no longer a liability. It's a verified financial asset from the get-go.
Okay, that's one bin. But how do you scale this up? It all comes down to smart logistics.
You know, transportation can be over 40% of the total cost for biomass. That's a huge economic hurdle.
And here's the genius fix. Instead of hauling air, they max out the weight on every single trip. This also lets them bypass inefficient transfer stations where 2/3 of stuff gets landfilled anyway.
This is that hub-and-spoke model, the logistical pulse of the whole operation, but it has to follow the rules.
Operating legally is, of course, non-negotiable. That's where the automated compliance engine kicks in.
Regulation 347 is the big one. It's the official rulebook for separating clean wood from hazardous materials.
So if the AI flags a load, it automatically generates a digital manifest and reports it to the RPRA.
This whole process isn't just for compliance. It directly creates cost savings, a real financial incentive.
It all works through something called decoupled billing. You get rewarded for purity, not just charged a flat rate.
And the savings are pretty obvious. Separate your materials and you avoid those much higher mixed waste fees.
The whole mechanism is simple. Lower fees plus avoiding future levies means direct savings for the customer.
So where does all this high-quality material end up? It completes its journey, closing the loop at a biorefinery.
From the construction site, to the hub, to the biorefinery, creating valuable new products, and just as important, data.
What's wild is this whole digital refinery is run by a small, unfunded team competing against global giants.
This system really shows it's possible. It reframes a massive global problem into a valuable, sustainable opportunity.